Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use rename table columns keyword in Robocorp. The keyword rename table columns has three arguments. One is the table, which table to modify, which table column names to modify, and the names, the list of names that you are going to change for the table header, and the other argument is strict. If it is true and you are passing a list of length less than the table columns or the headers in the table, then it will throw you an value error. And let's go to Visual Studio and see the implementation. So here we are using RPA.tables library, and we already has the data table here, which is reading from the CSV file. And if you are following the other videos, and we are using the same input file for every tables library keywords, and that has three columns. We're going to change the column names of the three columns. So here is our DT, which has three column names, which is name, technology, and the number. Now firstly I need to create a list in order to pass the names. For that I will create a variable which says columns, and then I need to create a list, so I will use create list keyword here, and after that I need to provide the names of the names in the list. It is name, right? So let's call it as name1, and then it is technology, so let's call it as technology1, and then number1, right? So we have our list of columns which need to be renamed are here. Then you need to use the rename tables column keyword, which has two arguments mainly, which is data table dt and the list of column names, which is columns, right? So let's save this and let's try to execute it, and let's stop this here. In order to see the renamed values, let's log the dt so that we can able to see the changes that are happening. Let's execute this now. What it will do, instead of name, technology, and number, it will place these renamed columns, or it will rename that existing names to name1, technology1, and number1. After the execution, let's go to the log file here. It is completed. Now let's go to log file, let's refresh this, and if you see here, our original data table, which has name, technology, and the number as a column names, and if you see the renamed table here, name1, technology1, and number1. And let's say you want to rename name and the number, but you want to keep the technology as technology, and how you can do that, or how you can achieve that. Instead of passing technology here, what you have to do, you need to pass none. Whenever you are passing like this none in a list, it will consider the previous column name as the name. So let's execute this and see whether it is taking technology as technology. Now you need to have name1, technology, and number1 in the modified table. Let's open the log file. When it is done, it is completed. Let's go here, let's refresh this, and if you see here, this name, number, technology, and number, if you see here, it is name1, technology, and number1. So it not modified this particular column name, and this is how you do it. And that's it for this video. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.